Einstein made this famous statement that insanity is expecting different results while you continue doing the same thing. And since we tend to be creatures of habit, this is a big challenge for us to learn to do different things. So, leading yourself, that is, becoming more effective as a leader by enhancing your behavior, your thought patterns, and your belief patterns, requires self-awareness, an understanding of why people behave the way they do, and the courage to initiate action. This is, in fact, as we have said already, the leadership point of view. So if you were trying to lead at level 3, it seems to me that what you want to be able to do is to observe and identify your vabes in yourself and vabes in others simply by listening to what people say and watching what they do. Then you might want to confirm your assessment with the other person. So conversation might go like, it seems to me, with a technical expert, that you believe if you want something done right, you have to do it yourself. Is that true? And see what they say. If they agree with you, then you can say, okay, my observations are accurate. If they disagree with you, then you listen and try to understand. Now, if the person has blind spots, they may or may not be able to self-describe accurately. You explore the validity of those vabes with this person. If you want to be a manager, how could you ever want to do everything yourself if there are 1,000 jobs in the plant? Trying to be involved in all of them is virtually impossible, even for Superman. Then you might set a probationary time period for how long you want to work on this with this person, 6 months, 12 months. That probationary time period will be determined in part by the speed in your industry. Do you need to change things quickly? In cell phones, obviously, you don't have 6 months to work with it. In packaging or automobiles, you might have a year or so. And then begin active coaching, trying to help the person change their assumptions about the way the world works. And if you're making progress, then you might continue. If not, you might have to say, I'm a bad coach, or he's not open to learning, his CQ is low, and therefore we're going to have to make a change because people tend to be creatures of habit. So if you understand why people behave the way they do, if you can use these 5 or 6 lenses to get insight into why other people are doing what they're doing, you will be better prepared to plan a change program, both for yourself and perhaps for others. And by understanding the powerful impact of their underlying vabes, their assumptions about the way the world operates, you might be able to get them to let go of dysfunctional ones and grab on to functional ones. And then you and they could say, we've become adults in the managerial world.